Hi everyone, welcome back. Welcome to another episode of What You're Doing in the Craft Room. I am trying to create some projects so that when I go to my retreat, I'll know what I'm doing. And one of those projects are creating these Valentine's cards. So here they are 4x4 card. The idea popped up on my Pinterest board and I had to copy it. So if you want to make this, let me show you how easy it is. I'm not going to do it, but I'll show you. Here is your 4x4 card base. And then you're going to take whatever colors you like of cardstock and you're going to use a postage stamp to cut out squares. And your squares will look like this, various colors. I then took my postage stamp, my cutout, you know, it fits in there. Okay, so then I took it and I put it in a heart punch. Whatever size punch you have, you like to use. I just kind of fit it in here like this, and I can feel it on both sides, and then I punched. Keep that little heart. And then there is your postage stamp with the heart. So you want to use various colors. You can see here I did a red pink version. Red, pink, red, pink, red, pink, red, pink. Okay. Then you want to line them up on your card base. And that's going to take some, time to make sure that they're all spaced evenly and using the colors that you want to. I've switched over now. I'm using some pink and some light purple to create this card with. Okay, so it's going to go something like that. But again, you're going to take your time and get them all evenly spaced. Then I had these corrugated hearts. I've had these for so long. And I took a heart punch and punched out the heart shape, right? Another die. I took a heart die, popped it in, cut it out, and used it to house the word love and you. Both of these words are from two totally different dies, so you can use whatever words you want. But I chose this love and that you. At one point, I was going to use the Be Mine, but I decided not to. So you glue that onto your corrugated heart, and that's what you're going to place right there. And then you're going to use some rhinestones and crystal mix things to decorate it. And there you have it. Your postage stamp Valentine's card. Thanks for watching, you guys.